been a while. I've actually got diff guards. I'm going to put them on. I've obviously got the standard front actual diff guard. I've got my Salisbury one. See? It's slightly different. So I'll give these a quick little wire brush over. They're looking a bit ew. Then I'll be installing them. I will be painting them at some point in the future, but I sort of need these now, and all will be revealed. This is the front one. I've gone over it quickly, as you can tell. Not exactly the prettiest, but it's a lot better than what it was. So I want to sort of put them on so they're functional, take them off later on and get them all painted up nice and pretty. But unfortunately I don't have the time to get it painted now. Clean this one up, get mounting. I don't expect it to be a very long video anyway, so I suppose I could just do a bit of drill. They're clean-ish. I'm now going to put the front one on. Hopefully this don't go horribly wrong. Wish me luck.
How can it go wrong? You're bolting something off, that's it.
This is us, anything's possible. If I take that and that. I hope this fits. I presume it goes. Oh, well, hey, there we go. Oh, that was easy. That's our job done. Now onto the rear. And that one is now done.
Huh?
I've just put my front guard on.
Oh, let's see, where's it like? Oh, she looks pretty, but
What I've got to do, I've got this quick little spruce up, but I'll be fitting the guard like so. So I've obviously got to crack off said nuts. Obviously carefully. Oh, God, made me jump. Door just slammed shut. Well, the top bolts are out. Clean behind there, clean all the little brackets. I'm going to crack these bottom ones off from a bit of a funny angle, so I do apologise about the camera. I'm just so hoping when I undo these bottom ones that it don't start leaking. It shouldn't do. As you see, it's got 1, 2, 3. So I'll be doing 1, 2, 3. Because this pan is really thin. I didn't realise how thin it was. So yeah, I'm pleased I've got this. Let's get back to it. All bolts are out. They're actually in order, so that's the top 3 going from left to right. Clean up the mating area so carefully, get it prepped, and basically I can bolt this on and be done. and that is my diff guard finally done. I will sort bits like this out and that one at a later date, but for testing purposes only, it is done.